Everyone, welcome to day 2 of our Leetcode 150 days series. Today we are solve 27 Leetcode remove element problem. So if the video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe this video with your friends and your college groups. So without delay, let's get started. So in the given description, give an integer array nums and an integer value. Remove all occurrence of value in nums in place. The order of the element may be changed. Then return the number of element in nums which are not equal to val. Okay. So consider the number of element nums which are not equal to val bk. Okay. So means that val is equals to k and to get accepted you need to do the right following things. So change the array nums such that the first k element of the nums and contain elements which are not equals to val, and the remaining element of nums are not important, as well the number of size of nums. Okay. So now let's deep dive with examples. So in the example, it's give input nums equals to 3 second. So 3 2 and 3, and value is given is 3. Okay. So our output is 2 and num is 2 comma 2. So what did happen? So in the val is given equals to 3, and our input num is given like 3 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. So now val is equals to 3. So val means val is given like in the norms val is given 3, and we need to remove this val in the norms. Okay. So we'll remove 3 in the norms. So after we removing threes, like in the norms given two threes, like first ones and second ones. So we remove it. Okay. We remove it, so we have 2 comma 2. So let's see, we have remain 2 comma 2. Okay. And this is our k. Okay. And this is our k. So k is equals to 2 comma 2. Okay. So k is equals to k is equals to 2. K is equals to 2 because we have only two value. First is 2 and second is 2. Okay. So we are not comparing with indexing value. We are k means number of elements. Okay. So after the val is removed, how much number are available. Okay. So this available number is called k, and after this return the k. Okay. So in explanation, your function should return k is equals to 2 with the first two element of norms being 2. It does not matter what do you leave beyond the returned k, hence it is underscore. Okay. So if you see on lead code description, so it gives 2 comma 2 and comma underscore means that we important value is 2 comma 2, and after this value we are not consider this underscore values. Okay. So here you see it does not matter what do you leave beyond and return k, hence they are underscore. So okay. So now let's with example 2. So in example 2 we have 0 1 2 comma 2 3 0 4 or 2, and value is given is equals to 2. Okay, so in the norms we remove all two elements. Okay, so 0 comma 1 comma we remove 2 2 and 3 0 4. Okay, so how many elements this? So this is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So k is equals to k is equals to 5. Okay, so explanation, your function should return k is equals to 5 with the first 5 element of norms containing 0 0 comma 0 1 comma 3 and 4. Okay, so let's see the constants. So if you are solving any DSA question, please read the constants value. So if you read the constants, you understand the what inputs we take, how much. Okay, so in these constants you see our norms dot length is less than equals to 100. So it is starting from 0, it is starting from 0, and it is equals to is less than equals to 100. Okay, so it is not greater than 101. Okay, so it is only started from 0 and 100. Okay, so in the nums of I, it is starting from 0 and ending from 50. Okay, and is the val starting from 0 and less than equals to 100, means that the number of val is less than 100 and equals to 100, and it start from 0. And in norms of I, it start from 0 and is less than and equals to 50. In norms dot length is start from 0 and is less than equals to 100. Okay, so if you solve any DSA problem, so please read the constant, understand the input size, and then jump to code. Okay, so what in the coding approach, in the coding approach what is doing, we are initialize the int index is equals to 0. Okay, so our index is starting from 0, and we make a for loop. We make a loop where nums of length, where I, where int I is equals to 0, where I is equals to 0, and I is less than nums of length, nums dot length, nums of length, and then I plus plus. Okay, and if, check the condition, if nums of I, nums of I is not equals, is not equals to val, is not equals to val, so uh, nums, nums of index, nums of index is equals to nums of I, is equals to nums of I. Okay, and then index plus plus, index, index plus plus. Okay, and then return the value of k. Simple. Okay, so this is our coding approach where we are starting from index 0, and we start a loop with int I is equals to 0, and the length of norms is less than I and I plus plus if norm of I not equals to val, and sorry, norms of index is equals to norms of I. Okay, and index plus plus return k. Okay, so now let's deep dive into coding problem. So in our coding approach we are discuss about it. So it start. So first of all, int index is equals to 0 because the constraint, the constant is 0. 0 is less than equals to nums dot length and less than equals to 100. Okay, so int index is equals to 0, and make a loop for int I is equals to 0, and I is less than nums dot length, nums nums dot length, and I plus plus if nums of I, if norms of I is not equals to, the norms of I is not equals to val, so the nums of index nums of index is equals to nums of I, is equals to nums of I and index plus plus index plus plus, and then return the return index, and let's see our code is run or not. Okay, so our test case is passed, and let's now submit it, and now it is accepted. So if this video is help you, so please like, share and subscribe this video with your friends, and thanks for giving your precious time with our channel, and thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep doing well. Thank you.